remoil. Can also be used to lubricate these Microtech automatic knives. Microtech. Get that little stem in there. There we go. About once a month, you got to do this. Fire it a few times. Get any excess oil out of there. Too much oil in the mechanical system can cause the components to slip and cause it to misfire. The blade will come off the track. Razor sharp. That's what this one did to me a few weeks ago. Nasty cut. That could have required stitches right there. Very lucky. That's it. That's how you maintain a Microtech out the front automatic knife.